जय गुरु जी। गुरु जी के चरणों में कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। माई हम्बल सबमिशन टू यू गुरु जी महाराज। गुरु जी की प्यारी प्यारी संगत को जय गुरु जी। टुडे बाय गुरु जी's grace I am going to read the chapter of Light of Divinity, Satsangs, the Company of Truth. आज्ञा महाराज। Satsangs, the company of truth. A satsang speaks from the heart of truth. It is the truth rendered in words, and it has the wonderful potency to lift its hearers or readers above their mind stream. The satsang is a devotional tool, one that has a long and revered standing in the religious tradition of this country. A satsang occurs when a group of people talk, or in this case, write about their experiences in faith. Through natural sympathetic listening or reading, it draws its audience into the circle of faith. As an electron carries an electric charge, a satsang carries a charge of faith. These satsangs are for those standing on the edge of skepticism and faith. Each satsang, as we have learned from Guruji, blesses both the reader and the writer. Each one offers a turning point in the life of an individual as distressed as you are. Each also offers a continuation, a reaffirmation, a moment of faith. For in Guruji's presence, we are in the presence of Him whose light is more radiant than the instantaneous luminescence of all the suns in the universe. And each puts the sword to doubt, which walks so many times arm in arm with faith. Doubt and faith both inhabit our world of contradictions and contrariness. Satsangs put the doubt to sword. Each of these true life stories shows how the spirit of man rises up to claim its innate faith. We call that faith Guruji. Others have called him by different names, all as dear, as loving as him. The satsangs offer you who are wondering whether to take the leap of faith, a springboard, listen to them and dive headlong. The divine holds you in his arms. All these stories of innumerable devotees scattered all over the country are miracles. But what is a miracle? It is the movement of faith in hearts. It is first and foremost a miracle of love, and only then an evidence of the supernatural in our natural affairs. So, the characters of these stories, Guruji's innumerable devotees, are writing of experiences that found them overwhelmed, overwrought, that made them vulnerable and defenseless, that stretched their faith and tested their spirit, that showed the chinks in their armor, that made them strong, courageous, enduring, and hopeful. They are reporting experiences of being carried away by a divine current. They are talking about the light they saw in the dark night. These satsangs are our true companions, for they carry the Guru's word, and adherence to his word is paramount. For the word is the Guru. The satsangs carry the energy of Guruji. They not only recount how his divine will saved and nurtured his devotees, they embody that energy and allow you to savor it and to be benefited by it. Each of these satsangs speak of Guruji's love for his children and the many pains he took to take care of them. It is time for his children now to bear his word in mind, to honor it in speech and deed, and not to besmirch his memory. The satsangs are the many leaves of the great tree of truth, each singing its song, each rustling with faith. Enshrined in the satsangs is the devotee's love for Guruji and his for them. May it touch your heart as surely as it has touched theirs. शुक्राना 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 गुरु मालिक, भूल चुक माफ मेरे प्रभु, कोटि कोटि शुक्राना।